So today I am going to show you guys how I put on my makeup, and I'm going to be using a few new products that I got from my Sephora spring sale haul. I will be putting a link to the unboxing video below. So first of all, I don't wear makeup every day. That's my biggest thing. I'm more of a skincare junkie than anything else. I really don't wear makeup unless I feel like I absolutely need to for, filming or going out or whatever. So, yeah, that's the first thing you should know. Secondly, I like to keep my makeup as natural and light as possible. So if you are looking for a full beat, it's not going to be for you. So this is going to be like super simple, super easy, quick makeup. So first of all, I think the first things first, I'm going to start with concealer actually, because I'm just going to hide any of my spots before I decide whether I'm going to wear foundation or not. If I can get away with spot coverage, that's what I usually just do. So let's conceal. And for concealer, I am using Pat McGrath Labs. Love Pat McGrath's everything, but especially her concealer and highlighter. Foundation is also great. They all made it onto my list of beauty faves. I'll link that video below as well. But basically, I'm just going in with your basic flat concealer brush at first. I feel like this type of concealer brush gives you the most coverage. I'm going to start by concealing down here. I have some spots and some hyperpigmentation from blemishes. This is like my big problem area, actually. This is where I get my most breakouts. I don't really break out anywhere but my chin anymore, so I'm happy the rest of my face doesn't break out, but it still sucks that my chin breaks out. So I'm just going to spot cover. What I'm doing is I don't like to tap the concealer brush directly onto my skin. I prefer to use the brush to pick it up. And so most of my concealing is going to be down here. I have a little spot up here. And then I have a lot of freckles and stuff over here, like hyperpigmentation. And I actually like my freckles, so I leave them alone. I don't try to conceal them. I think they're cute. Great. So those are my spots. Now, after that, I take another concealer brush. I take this Hourglass concealer brush. It's angled and it's fluffy, as you can see. And I use that to do all my blending of concealer. So that's it for skin. I know it sounds crazy because so many people, I feel like so many people are used to doing a full beat, but just a little bit of concealer. I feel like my skin looks really fresh and clean and is pretty clear for the most part. So then I'm going to put on a brow. This is Eyeko brow liner in medium. And with eyebrows, mine are wonky. They've been microbladed multiple times, and I feel like I never have enough brows. Like I never have enough eyebrow hair, or as much as I would like. Um, with eyebrows, they can't always be identical twins, so try to go for sisters. Next, if I'm gonna really like put on anything, it's probably gonna be some cream blush. This is the Fenty Beauty Cheeks Out Freestyle Cream Blush in Bikini Martini. And I am going to apply this with my fingertips and then just blend it out with a brush. It's actually like very pigmented, but it also is very buildable, so you can sheer it out really easily. I'm gonna apply my highlighter, my Pat McGrath highlight stick in Nude, which is my favorite in the whole world. I am actually not going to use the pigmented highlighter end, which is like shimmery. I'm going to use the balm end. And this is like a clear balm that gives you really nice dewy, gives you a dewy little highlight. It's really natural looking. Really healthy looking. See, it gives you that like dewy glow. I am going to put on some lip gloss. I'm already wearing a lip balm. The balm I'm wearing is Dior Lip Glow Pomade. And then this lip gloss is Pat McGrath Lust Gloss in Gold Allure. It's like my everyday lip gloss. I'm almost to the bottom. I'm almost done with this tube, as you can see. That's it. I'm not putting on any eye makeup because I'm wearing Lashify slash DIY lash extensions. I prefer not to wear eye makeup. I really just love a great lash, and that's it. Yeah, that's my simple, no makeup, everyday makeup look. I feel like this gives me like just enough color, just enough highlights to feel like I'm made up without looking way too made up. I feel like my skin still looks natural. You can still see my skin. But yeah, that highlight really is everything. Yeah. So I don't know if you have any comments or questions down below. You know where to put them. And please subscribe and like any videos, and see you guys next time.